Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, I'm with my Jamaican brother, and I'm showing him the Loftel apartment family. So today, I'm showing him the Loftel apartment. I'm just waiting for Susan to come. Yeah, but if you haven't seen the Loftel before, now is the time for you to get some information about it. Hi, Susan. This is my Jamaican brother, Andre.
Puasana.
Yeah.
This is Landry.
Yeah, Andre.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Yeah. So you'd like to see, what is happening here with the apartments.
You can have it. It will be it has the prices on them and the closing cost.
So you show them the showroom.
We can see the show house
Yeah.
for student 1 bedroom. Then we'll proceed to see the rest. It's not time since you came here.
Hey, it's a good while, Susan, but I'm here.
This is the studio. The washroom is here.
Seems very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, studio. You have your balcony right there. Yeah, family. So this is the studio apartment at the Loftel family. Jam Tours. Yeah. Yeah, Susan, so what's been happening now? It's the 31st, still not finished.
Some 1-2 things remaining.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any more other showroom ready or still?
2 bedroom.
Okay, 2 bedroom, okay.
I'll take you there to see.
All right, family. And you still have a lot of apartments available?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right, so this is a studio. This is a 1 bedroom right here. Yeah, family. So as you can see, the Loftel, they're still putting in the final touchings. As you can see, a lot of boxes. Final touchings are still going on at Loftel. So let's check the 1 bedroom now. 1 bedroom.
Oh, nice.
This is the 1 bedroom. Bathroom. We have no light, family, no light. But this is the bathroom. This is the bedroom here. The Loftel. Right. The next we have a 2 bedroom.
How much is the 1 bedroom?
Susan, how much is the, where you at?
That's what I said.
How much is the 1 bedroom?
The 1 bedroom is 5.5. If it's cash, it's 5M.
Okay.
Yeah. Studio is 3.5. If it's cash, 3.1.
So do the calculation. Do the mathematics.
Yeah, family. So you hear that? 1 bedroom, 5.5 installment, 5 million cash. Studio apartment, 3.5 installment, 3 million cash. Yeah, so that's Kenyan shillings.
So I've been taking most of our money, so let's go back to my house. We'll be casting now.
All right, family. So let's go and see the 2 bedroom.
3 categories.
So the 3 bedrooms, there are 3 categories. You have the small one with like 3 balcony. Then you have another one, then another one. Yeah. All right, family. So we're going to see a 2 bedroom. So let's go with Jam Tours. We are here, family. We are here. So 2-bedroom, 129 square meters. Kitchen. So kitchen right here, family. Kitchen right here. Dining right here. And you have living right here. And with this one, you have 3 balconies. So this one, a balcony right here. Every room have their own balcony. This is very good for people who want to do Airbnb because everybody has their own space. This is the bathroom, family. You're with Jam Tours. Africa, and we're just showing you the better side of Africa, family. That's what we're showing you. We hope you appreciate, what you like and share. Let us know your thoughts, family. Jam Tour. So as I said, guys, this one has 3 balcony for you to see. 3 balcony. As you can see, 3 balcony. Right, family. So let's go.
2 bedroom?
Yeah, 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom. This is a common bathroom right here. They have a nice bath, washing area right there. They have a tap right here. Yeah. And this one, as you can see, this is the guest bathroom. Not bathroom, but room. As you can see, guys, you have your own balcony too. Yeah, family. So.
Generator as well?
Backup for common areas. So which type again do we see? 3 bedroom?
You want to see a 3-bedroom, Andre?
Yeah.
Come on, let's see a 3-bedroom.
So this is going to be,
Inbuilt tabletop stoves.
right.
Yeah.
Big building now.
Yeah, man, it's very spacious.
Yeah.
Very spacious. Very spacious. Yeah.
Nyumba gani zingine? First floor.
Wow, 3-bedroom.
Labda nisubiri.
Oh, it's big. Hey, family, so this is a 3-bedroom. Bigger than big, larger than large, as you can see. 3-bedroom. Bathroom. Three-bedroom. 1, 2. This is the master bedroom, family. Oh, this there. I was looking for the next room. So this is a smaller version, right? Yeah. It's a little bit cheaper too, right? So this is a 2-bedroom family, like the 3-bedroom, but the 2-bedroom. So 8.8 installment, 8 million cash. This is a 3-bedroom family. Wow. So guys, fixed the kitchen. Last time we came, the kitchen wasn't fixed. Well, as you can see, guys, kitchen is bigger than big, larger than large. Bigger than big, larger than large family. Jam Tours, the tours that give you more. 3-bedroom. Where you find the 3-bedroom so far?
Yeah, man. Full of space.
Full spacious, yeah, man.
Kitchen.
Kitchen big. Mm-hmm. Yeah, family. And we have the bathroom.
Not boat carrying.
Yeah, enough boat. Watch out, because the bathroom are big. Big, man.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, family. Good thing with this 3-bedroom. You say it has a 2 in suite, right?
Yes?
2 in suite bathroom.
Yes.
2 in suite bathroom, family.
Yes.
So that's a good thing with this 3-bedroom. You know what I mean? If you want to set this as an Airbnb, it's good because you can have 3 guests staying inside here and everybody have their private space. Everybody have their private space. Yeah.
How much is that, please?
10.5 cash, 11.5 installments.
All right, family. So you hear that, family? 10.5 cash, 11 million with installment. All right, family. So you hear that? Oh, Susan, they're building some here.
Something coming up, but that is the end of it. Just have 1 floor.
Who is it, like a standalone?
Studios, no.
Oh, studios?
For rent, yeah.
Who is doing it?
The neighborhood.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I wonder when it's gonna finish.
Yeah, but that is better because you do not expect another high-rise.
High-rise, yeah, coming up, yeah. Yeah, family, so this would be a balcony right here. That's a little garden here, right there. This would be a garden here. All right, family, so, you know what I mean? This is Jam Tours Africa. If you come into Kenya, link up with Jam Tours family. We can take you around, show you around, and make sure everything is safe with you, family. So let's go to the office to see what our Jamaican brother is saying. Let's see. Okay, family, so this is where we'll have our gym, family. As you can see, this will be our gym area. As you can see, right here.
Good lighting.
Yeah, good lighting and stuff. You can even go outside and work out if you want. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we at the Loftel. Yeah. So you like the place so far?
It's a good look.
It's a good look.
It's
Yeah,
a
man.
good, a nice alternative, you know?
Yeah.
And I said 2 Rivers.
Yeah, it's just right there.
Right up the road.
Go past
Big
it.
mall.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So.
Nice options for you, sure.
Yeah, man. You need option. You need to see what's going on.
Come on, come spend the good money and work so hard for.
Yeah, come spend it in Africa.
All in the snow. We can enjoy themselves, take the money.
Come on.
West Africa.
Yeah, man, for real. Them need to know. Them need to know that. You need to know that. You need to know that. Yeah, family. So we're at the Loftel, reviewing the Loftel. Like, share this and share this video, family. Tell a friend to tell a friend, so you guys can know. This will be the kids play here. Yeah. So they will design it with a lot of slides and stuff. Yeah, family. So this is the Loftel. Like, share, and comment on the video. Jam Tours Africa. So guys, let's let me go up to the office, see what is happening. Okay. So let's go, family. Let's go.
Bedroom going for 8.2 and 7.5 cash.
Okay. All right, family. So here, this is a standard 2-bedroom, not with the 3 balcony. Standard 2-bedroom. It's going for what again, Susan?
8.2 installments and 7.5 cash.
7.5 cash. You hear that, family? All hear that? Nice little 2-bedroom. Yeah, family. This is what it looks like, the showroom. Yeah, family. Showroom. This is your kitchen right here. Two bedroom. This is your bathroom. 2-bedroom, family. So as you can see, guys, the 2-bedroom is very big, can hold a king size bed right here.
Either it is in between lighting is perfect.
Yeah. Netflix and chill, the same.
Yeah, yeah. So you put your TV, you mount it on the wall.
Got the
I
65
like-
inch for it.
Yeah, I see them I like how they put this here. Yeah, I like the curtain. Hide the rods there. You're not seeing the rod. The curtain. Yeah. This is a standard 2-bedroom. Standard 2-bedroom. It's a nice.
So we can move
Okay, the gym equipments. All right, family. So as you can see, guys, the gym equipments are coming. They say it's on the shipment on the way. Yeah. Yeah. So what's your name?
My name is
What is your name?
Mary.
Mary. And how long have you been in Kenya, Mary? How long have you been here?
How long? Like almost 1 month.
Oh, 1 month. Okay, okay. Oh, you like it here? You loving it?
Yeah, the environment.
It's nice.
The weather.
Okay, okay,
Very
nice.
comfortable.
Very comfortable. Okay, nice. Yeah, family. So we're waiting on Dong, which is the sales manager, come and explain payment plan and all of this stuff for you. Family. So when you come, you get your water and stuff.
Service charge them.
Huh?
The maintenance fees.
I think maintenance is like,
It's pretty cost effective.
yeah, man, very cheap. It's like what?
Then between like this is 2,000.
2,000, yeah.
Less than 50 US a month.
Yeah, 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 yeah. The maintenance, very cheap.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
You have already taken the video for the house.
Okay, let me see.
Even I edit for it. This is 1 bedroom.
That's nice.
Your washroom. This is your bedroom.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. Spacious one. Yeah. Maybe you can send me this video so I can send it to my clients.
Really the dream of home from here.
Yeah.
Ready to
Ready to
occupy.
occupy. Yeah, that's
Welcome
nice.
to you.
Yeah.
The other one, studio is here. Studio. Or even the other people ready to occupy and not go.
Wow, this is amazing, my good people, my good investors, my greatest friend from all over this country, all over abroad. Welcome to the Loftel apartment in Rwaka. This is one and only. So here I told you that we are bringing you a studio apartment, a 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom apartment, all for you. And remember, all this you're getting at an affordable price. Imagine the price begins from only 3.5 million Kenyan shilling. Were you the person who was requesting for somebody somewhere that you can call an Airbnb, somewhere that you could call a place that you could call an investment for rent? This is the place for you to be. So I want to take you to this journey. Just come with me. Let us get into the premise and let us walk the journey all with you. My good people, just welcome. Come. Wow, welcome home. Now, allow me to take you through this beautiful studio apartment right here in the Loftel apartment, Rwaka. Look at this beautiful kitchen coming up with burner and also a kitchen hood. Wow, look at this amazing washroom. Come with me. Just look at this. Very beautiful. This is the shower. This is the washroom area, just magnificent, just beautiful. And now, my good people, allow me to take you now to where we have the lounge area. And remember, this area can also be customizable. We have the lounge right here with us. Very beautiful, very stunning. You can make yours the same as this. Look at the TV area. And look at where you'll be able to rest after a tiresome day. This is where you'll be. Remember, if you're doing this, look at this cabinets. the best closet that you can ever get. Look at them. Look at them. The best storage for you. Look at this. Wow. From here, it's opens for a very beautiful balcony here, so that you can be able to experience the best breath for yourself. Look at this atmosphere. It's a very nice balcony right here. And remember, this unit is going for only 3.5 million Kenya shilling. And if you happen to buy it on cash basis, you get a 10% discount. Remember, 10% discount. So, are you looking for somewhere that you can be able to call an investment plan or an Airbnb or somewhere that you can rent? Remember, we are giving you a full 100% tenant if you happen to walk the journey of this investment with us. For an Airbnb, we guarantee you 80% when you walk with us. So thank you very much and welcome. Let us now head to a one-bedroom apartment in the lofted apartment.
Wow, so that's nice.
2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom.
Here. Yeah, 2 bedrooms here. And the same we go 2 bedroom. Come.
Another one. Welcome to another magnificent two-bedroom apartment right here in the lofted apartment. That was the kitchen. Look at this. Look at this. We have the bathroom washroom right here with us. And you know what? A very nice area there. You can call it a pantry where you can do like things. Look at this beautiful dining here. Where you can figure it out yourself with your family, having some good, nice dinner right here.
Yeah, this is my brother Andre. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Hi.
Yes.
Hi. Romesh.
Up there.
Yeah, Tony.
So this okay, my friend?
Yeah, man, it's good. This is my brother here. And
Yes, yes, yes.
you know,
Similar.
similar. Yeah, so he's interested in the 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom?
1 or 2 bedroom.
1 or 2.
So which one? Which one?
Well, I care about them now. I would say between
Huh?
or the 1 bedroom. Premium bed.
Premium bedroom. Or 2 bedroom this one, yes?
Yeah, either of these two. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
And not the studio. But one of these two. 5.5 or 8.2.
So what's the payment plan? What's the payment plan? Payment plan? Talk about the process, okay? We are talking.
Well, what I was saying is that I'll have to look and see how the because where I'm from, there's foreign currency controls.
And what?
Foreign currency
Foreign currency, yes.
controls.
Yes.
So how much money you can take out of the country.
Yes.
So I have to see. So I may have to probably work on the payment terms. Alright?
Yes,
See
yes.
what the options are and see
Yes,
how best.
yes, yes.
The terms are good.
Yes, yes.
The terms are good. The terms
Yes.
are good.
Yes.
So right now just digesting everything. So I get a tour, walk around, see all the units, they look good. Like the layout.
Yes.
Yeah, so at this point, I just trying to make up my mind, make a decision.
Yes.
You know, go back to the bank when I get back home.
Yes, yes.
And yeah.
But you see all them already?
Yeah, she showed us
Everything,
she showed
yeah,
us
yeah, everything,
all
yeah,
options,
yeah.
including the 3 bedroom
3 bedroom.
as well. But
Yes.
I think I probably would stick to the
1 bedroom.
premium one or the
Yes.
standard 2.
So you don't make decision now, you want to make later. Decision later, yes.
Yeah. So what do you want to do? You want to think about it first,
Mm.
and then you will get back to us.
So yeah.
Mm.
So I talk to you how the price going?
The price in terms of what?
I mean how let me explain to you how the price going. So how much you pay, so you can get how much discount.
Yeah. You need to like.
If you pay cash.
You want to pay cash.
Don't just say if you pay cash, you pay less. I think
Here.
you pay 5 instead of
Yeah.
5.5.
Cash this price.
Right.
Yes, yes.
Right. Yes.
I think it's now cash this price, yes.
Yes. So she did go through those options as well.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So about the payment plan, Andre. So if you're gonna make a deposit, like you can make what, 30%, 50%, how many down?
It's no problem.
Mhm.
So, but no, I was confused. You want to pay full cash or you want to pay installment?
Oh no, I was kind of weighing both options, but I think it may end up being the installments most likely.
So it's for example, it's 8.2 for 2 bedroom, yes. You pay 30%, it's the 8 million. You pay 50%, It's the 7.8. You pay full cash, you can get 7.4, no problem.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And then one bedroom is 5.5 million. You pay 30%, it's 5.4. You pay 50%. If I give 5.2, you pay full cash, I give 5 million.
I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. So there are steps in between.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. For sure.
So you cannot go and sleep on it, Andre. Compare and then
Yeah.
you know what I mean. Yeah.
Not to digest.
Lot to digest and stuff. Yeah.
Options are good. Good options.
Yes, thank you.
I like the lay of the place.
Thank you.
Yeah, good job.
All right, family. So you see for yourself, you know what I mean, you can make a down payment, installment, 30%, 50%, and you have some time to pay in installment, family. So, you know what I mean? This is the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts, family. Let me know when you come into Kenya to invest, to live, to work, to play. Let us know. We are out. One love. God bless. Jam Tours Africa, Jamaica.